So here we go. The KZ Zax headphones. Well, in-ears if you want. Maybe out of focus. Anyway. So I got these since my Shure SE215s are, I had them for the last 7 years. So now I'm trying to get a new pair. And I thought of trying the KZ Zax, which are around $90 through Amazon ship. So here's the little box. Kind of cool, right? Yeah. So imagine we gotta pipe pop these out. Gotta get the two out. There we go. Left and right. Little booklet. Yeah. Don't go too loud for sure, so nothing in there. No, it's just a foam padding. And then, yeah. Quality control. Ooh, certificate. Certified KZs. Ooh. All right, so these most likely are the extra buds. Looks like there's smaller and bigger, or they're all the smaller type. So I don't need these right now. Seems like there's two smaller and two mediums in there, and then there's the cables. This I'm gonna have to crack open for sure. Now let's see what the cables look like. Okay, so they're all, seems like they're the gray type, almost white. What's important is the over the ear. So that's a fairly long, yeah, I would say. A little more than 3 feet. And then there's the over the ear. One thing I wish is if the cable was all black, but hey, at that price we can't really be fussy. So connection, I guess it's going to be easy once we figure out which one is right, which one is left. So far, looks easy. So over the ear, these don't quite rotate, so it's going to be this that's going to be rotatable, but they're not like the Shures. They don't rotate on the hub, on the connection. So we're gonna try these out and see how they sound.